minions, it's me, Beau coming to you today with an unboxing of this LUKO. I don't know how it's pronounced. Your guess is as good as mine, but this air conditioning unit is an absolute lifesaver during the summer. Obviously, it's raining right now. It's cool in the Pacific Northwest, but it's gonna get hot and sticky. So if you're like me, you're like, what's it actually look like when this thing shows up in the mail? How is it packaged? You'll see initially the accessories are on the top, tenderly placed in a bunch of foam. And now that our strap is cut, this thing just lifts straight up like that. And it's as easy as that. And that entails the entire unboxing process. Let's go ahead and set this thing up in my next video.